I'm Molly Hudson, your downtown Omaha neighborhood reporter, and I just stepped out of City Hall where Public Works gave an updated assessment to City Council following the storms overnight and this morning. It was rain that the city doesn't see often.
Parts of the city that was what we call a 100-year event. You only see that about 1% of the time. So our infrastructure is just not designed to handle an event like that when we get that type of rain.
Public Works also shared that the Papio Creek saw flows that exceeded the flows we normally see in the Missouri River. They were able to say that no injuries had been reported. They did receive over 80 calls this morning, 16 basement backups, and 49 missing manholes. If you're experiencing flooding coming through your basement floorboards, you're encouraged to call the mayor's hotline, sewer maintenance, or Public Works front desk. Those numbers are on your screen. In downtown Omaha, I'm Molly Hudson, your neighborhood reporter.